how to make the header transparent in the Shopify Dawn theme. To do this, we have to navigate to our online store first, here on the left hand side. And from here, I want to go to these three dots, and I'm gonna press duplicate first because I want to have a backup in case I mess something up in the code. So here's my copy which I've created previously. And once you do that, you can go ahead and edit the code. You just click on the three dots again and click on edit code. And now here in this top left corner, you see filter files. You're just going to type in base.css. .css. Like that, and you want to look for this one. It's under assets. You're going to click on this part of the code, and now you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom like that. And once you see the last portion of text here, this column, just gonna hit enter twice so we create new lines. And now you want to copy this exact text here, .header / wrapper and so on. You can pause the video and type it out if you want to. I'm just gonna go ahead and copy that, and now I want to paste it in here by pressing Ctrl V on my keyboard. And now I want to click on save here on the top right. And once that's done, I can go to preview store here on the top right, and as you can see, the header is now transparent. There you go. And that's how you make the header transparent in the Shopify Dawn theme. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.